My name is Judith. I am 39 years old. I work as flower supervisor. I am married and I live in Facatativá. My parents live very well in Facatativá. I have the 20 years old son. His name is Oscar. I am very active. I very serious. I like working with numbers. Activity. In my house, I have two cabinet and walking is a very store color. I present two photography in big I difference the A B and has dropped very big. We has mirror much narrow. In what you can say more object. It only adds high fairly large dark for heavy and I be has to but teller. Be has a sub not very with and very with routine. Will up has to division to narrow.